Hey everybody, Rockin' Whitey here with Single Dad Hacks. Things to make your life easy when you're a single dad. I'm going to keep these things to under a minute so you can get on, watch it, and move on. One of the things I do, you're running out the door, the girls are, the hair needs to be brushed and we need ponytails and all this other jazz, but you're already late. So what I do is I set one of these guys up at the front door. That's just a mug holder. You can get these mug stands anywhere, but I got mine from the dollar restore, something like that. But what's really cool about these is, the girls got to have these jiggies for their hair, makes ponytails. I just put that sucker, I just put them on top like this, right? And they hang there like that. And the girls like these things, right? They're scrunchies too. So everybody can have your own little scrunchy spot. If I like, I can put my 4 or 5 scrunchies on there, whatever I want. And then these things, if you don't know, these things go on the head, guys. It keeps all the hair back. So sometimes they want that. I just throw those around the base like that. And then everybody needs brushes on the way out the door. Brushes. Oh my God, where's my brushes? And then I just have a box. I go to the dollar store and buy like 10 brushes for $4. Maybe if you need a set of scissors to cut gum out of hair, there it is. There's your single dad hack. Hope you enjoyed it.